So I've not really made a video in a while just because I've been busy and I've been wanting to wait until I'd sorted out a couple of wee niggles that I was having with the bike, such as there's a wee leak in where the two bits of the exhaust join, and just kind of give it a clean up and then do a proper kind of final reveal of the bike and driving it and all that kind of thing. So I'm going to sort out the exhaust today, and I'll also maybe try and get some footage riding it. I need to get started on that on the bike as well. But today's the exhaust, so let's get started with that. So to stop the leak in the exhaust, I'm going to use this gum, put it on the inside of the exhaust, put it on the connector bit here and put it back on, and we'll run the engine for a bit to harden it. So I've got the exhaust back on. Looks like I've made a decent enough seal. I'll clean that off. It's more about practicality than looks, this part. So what I'm going to do now is just run the bike, check for any leaks, see if there is any, let it warm up, let the gum set and see if it's helped. So that's it back together. I usually want to see the fairings need another paint. It's kind of coming off a wee bit, but it doesn't fuss me that much. Yeah, so I let it run. It's hardened now. I think what I'm going to try and do, get some footage out and about. I've only got literally one or two wee more things to do until I do a proper video on the full bike, show it, get a kind of full picture of it, give it a good clean first. So yeah. Cheers.